Hi guys, this is Auntie Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to make eba. I know some people will be like, "Salad eba ni." No, because of people who know sabi to make eba. This is your last chance in it. So come on, let's do this together. Let's begin. First of all, you will get your kettle, your garri, and your bowl. And don't forget to get your stirring roll, which is stirring roll that you to stir it together. Okay. So right now we have your gas. Ṣùgbọ́n sẹ́ẹ̀rì bí tí Nàìjíríà dé dúró yìí. Téèyàn bá ti fẹ́ sẹ̀sìn, kó mọ̀ lo gas yìí because this gas now, you know how much they are filling it. So I'll go and get what we are going to use to make this eba. How they come? And here comes our stove. Help come and sift your corona. This one. And what if I can get in Nigeria? You able to stop it. Stop using it. You light it around. You light it around. Then you put the burner. Head, the head of the stove. Put this one down. So you now carry your kettle and the bowl, head of ibomiwa. You need to fetch water come. So you now close your water like this. You now pour it like this. Make sure you cover it back. Then you will now close your kettle. Put it on the fire. After you put your water on the fire, you will now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after that, you will now remove your water from the stove. I'm gonna pour it by. Then you will return the remaining water on the fire. So you now open your garri, 30%. So you will now be pouring it. When you are pouring the garri, make sure you stir. Stirring, rising. Stir it. Be stirring it together. It's like
She's what?
It's now coming out very well. It's not easy to cook. But it's like our eba is want to roll. But you know what? It's the garri. We now put it down. So go for 30 minutes and go and rest. When you come back, our garri and eba, they will have mixed together. Once you mix the more, so then our eba is ready to be eaten. Thank you. 30 minutes.
Not be juju be that.
I think our 30 minutes has come to an end. By the time we taste this eba, maybe we should touch it like this, pin to have turned to eba yibo. You will see lebiori were. You will now take your stirring roll and take it. It's like our eba is still raw. I hope you guys have learned how to make eba deliciously. Next time we are going to teach ourselves extraordinary cooking. But today, egg babang. See you. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.